Most people approach social media as a daily obligation. Check the notifications. Think of something to post. Write it. Publish it. Respond to a few comments. Close the app. Repeat tomorrow. This approach produces exhaustion rather than growth. The daily demand for fresh content creates a constant low-level stress, the awareness that the machine requires feeding regardless of what else is happening. And when life gets busy, which it always does, the social media habit is the first thing to break. The account goes quiet. The audience drifts. And starting again from silence always feels harder than the original launch. The creators and businesses whose social media actually works treat it as a system, designed once, executed consistently, reviewed monthly. The daily obligation disappears. The consistent growth remains. AI makes building that system achievable in one focused afternoon. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why social media feels like a burden. The burden comes from three specific dynamics that most social media advice never addresses directly. The blank page problem arrives daily. Every day that requires a fresh post is a day that starts with no content and ends with something created under time pressure. Time pressure produces lower quality content and higher stress simultaneously. The context-switching cost is invisible but significant. Shifting from deep work to social media content creation and back again interrupts focus in a way that research consistently shows reduces overall productivity by more than the time spent on social media alone. And the inconsistency penalty compounds over time. An account that publishes 3 times one week and once the following week sends a signal to both the platform algorithm and the human audience that the creator is unreliable. Inconsistent publishing produces inconsistent results regardless of the quality of individual posts. A batching and scheduling system eliminates all 3 problems simultaneously. Layer 1. The monthly content plan. The first layer of the system runs once per month. A 90-minute session that produces every piece of content needed for the following 30 days. Give Claude your content pillars, the 3 to 5 topic areas your account consistently covers. Give it your target audience, your platform, and your publishing frequency. Ask Claude to generate 30 content ideas, 10 from each of your primary pillars, that cover the full range of formats your platform rewards. Educational posts, personal insight posts, controversial or counterintuitive takes, practical how-to content, behind-the-scenes or personal content. Review the 30 ideas and select 25. 5 ideas become your reserve. Content held back for weeks when the batch falls short or a topic becomes newly relevant. 25 pieces of content planned in one session. The blank page problem solved for the entire month before it can arise. Layer 2. The weekly batch session. The second layer runs once per week. A 60-minute session that converts the monthly plan into finished, scheduled content. Every Monday morning, open Claude with 5 content ideas from your monthly plan. For each idea, give Claude the topic, the key insight, the target platform, and your voice description. Ask Claude to write a complete post for each, opening line, body, and call to action. Review all 5 posts. Adjust the opening lines for any that would not stop the scroll. Add personal examples or specific details that only you can provide. Confirm the call to action on each post is explicit rather than vague. Schedule all 5 posts using a free scheduling tool set to publish at the optimal times for your audience on each platform. 60 minutes on Monday morning. 5 posts scheduled. The week's social media obligation complete before the working day begins. Layer 3. The engagement window. Scheduling content solves the publication problem. It does not solve the community problem. Social media platforms algorithmically reward accounts whose content generates prompt engagement. Responding to comments quickly, particularly in the first 60 minutes after publication, signals to the platform that the content is producing conversation and is worth distributing to a wider audience. Set 2 15-minute engagement windows each day, one in the morning and one in the early afternoon. These windows are exclusively for responding to comments, engaging with relevant content from others in your niche, and acknowledging any direct messages. Ask Claude to help you write a set of 20 engagement response templates. Thoughtful, specific responses to the most common types of comments your content receives. Not copy-paste replies. Frameworks that you personalize in 10 seconds to feel genuine rather than automated. 2 15-minute windows. 30 minutes per day. The community dimension of social media handled without the endless scrolling that makes most social media time feel wasted. Layer 4. The monthly review. The final layer runs on the last Sunday of every month. A 30-minute review that keeps the system improving rather than simply running. Give Claude the performance data from your posts for the previous month. Which topics generated the most engagement? Which formats performed above average? Which post types consistently underperformed? Ask Claude to identify the 3 clearest patterns in the data and translate them into specific content adjustments for the following month. Not a complete system overhaul. 3 specific adjustments. More of what worked, less of what did not. A different approach to one underperforming format. This monthly review ensures the system becomes more effective over time, rather than simply more consistent. Consistent mediocrity is not the goal. Consistent improvement is. What changes when social media runs on a system? The most immediate change is psychological. The daily obligation disappears. Social media becomes a Tuesday morning task rather than a constant background anxiety. The second change is quality. Content produced in a focused batch session without time pressure is consistently better than content produced reactively under daily deadline pressure. And the third change is growth. Consistent publishing, the same voice, the same value, the same reliability week after week, builds audience trust in a way that sporadic high-quality posts never can. The system does not make social media effortless. It makes it manageable, sustainable, and genuinely effective. What platform do you find hardest to stay consistent on right now? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for finally managing your social media without the daily burden, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.